Most people think sales is about convincing someone to buy a product. That is the surface level version. The deeper truth is far more uncomfortable. A less intelligent person with a strong communication can outperform a brilliant person with poor communication for an entire lifetime. And whether people admit it or not, modern society rewards perception almost as much as reality. Think about it, two people can have the same degree, the same experience, the same technical skill, but one gets opportunities faster, one becomes influential faster, one commands respect faster. Why? Because human beings do not respond to information equally. They respond to certainty, emotion, trust, status, storytelling, energy, identity, and perception. And once you truly understand this, you stop seeing sales as a business skill. You will start seeing it as one of the hidden operating systems behind society itself. Because sales is everywhere. A founder selling a vision to investors is using sales. A politician influencing millions emotionally is using sales. A creator holding attention online is using sales. A teacher keeping students engaged is using sales. Even in relationships, human beings constantly influence each other emotionally, which leads to a realization most people never fully understand. The world is not controlled by intelligence only, it is heavily influenced by communication. And the people who understand human psychology deeply often shape industries, audiences, trends, businesses, culture, and sometimes history itself. This video is not motivation content, it is a deep breakdown of human behavior, attention, influence, perception, communication, modern society, and the psychological systems silently shaping human decisions every single day. Because by the end of this video, you will not only understand sales differently, you will understand people differently. And once that happens, you cannot unsee it. The biggest misunderstanding about sales is believing it is a profession. It is not. Sales is the transfer of belief. That's it. When a startup founder pitches investors, they are selling belief in a future that does not exist yet. When a teacher explains an idea passionately, they are selling belief in knowledge. When you sit in a job interview, you are selling belief in your competence. When creators post content online, they are selling belief in their perspective. Even confidence itself is a form of communication. And once you understand this clearly, you realize something important. Sales is not separate from life, it is embedded inside life. Every system in society runs on persuasion. Governments pursued populations. University pursued students about security and success. Brands pursued customers emotionally. Social media persuades people psychologically. Even human relationships involves emotional influence and value exchange because human beings constantly evaluate who should I trust, who should I listen to, who feels credible, who feels confident, and who feels valuable. And this creates one of the harsh realities in modern society. The world does not reward value equally, it rewards perceived value. That line explains more about modern success than most people realize. A technically superior product often loses to a better market product. A brilliant individual can remain invisible for years because they never learned communication. Meanwhile, someone average with exceptional storytelling can dominate attention completely. You have seen this happen probably many times, maybe in your own life. You watched less capable people get opportunities faster simply because they communicated better. And deep down, you know it wasn't fully fair. But human psychology has never operated on fairness. It operates on perception because before people evaluate logic, they evaluate emotional signals, confidence, presence, clarity, certainty, energy, and status. Influence often begins before words are even spoken, and modern society amplified this dramatically. We no longer live only in an information economy, we live in an attention economy. Information becomes abundant, attention becomes scarce, and whoever captures attention gains the ability to shape perception. This is why modern companies fight aggressively for visibility. That is why creators optimize thumbnails, hooks, headlines, and storytelling. That is why luxury brands spend millions and billions creating emotional association. Because attention is no longer just visibility, attention becomes leverage, and leverage creates power. One of the biggest illusions people have about themselves is believing they are rational. Most human beings are not rational first, they are emotional first and logical afterward. People often feel something emotionally, then create logical explanations later. This is how many decisions actually happen. Look carefully at luxury industries. Nobody truly needs a luxury watch to know time. A 500 rupee watch and a luxury watch both tell the same time, but society reacts differently to them. Why? Because people are not buying utility alone, they are buying emotional meaning, status, identity, recognition, belonging, and transformation. And this pattern exists everywhere. Nike does not merely sell shoes, it sells ambition. Luxury brands do not merely sell products, they sell social positioning. Technology companies increasingly sell identity and sophistication. Even universities market emotional futures more than education itself because people constantly ask themselves emotionally, who do I become if I buy this? The question quietly drives a numerous part of the global economy. And underneath many decisions lie under powerful force that is fear. Fear drives industries more than most people realize. The fear of failure drives education market. The fear of rejection drives beauty industries. The fear of uncertainty drives insurance system. The fear of invisibility drives social media behavior. Human beings naturally move toward emotional safety. This is why trust becomes the hidden currency behind every sale. Without trust, people hesitate. Without emotional certainty, people delay decisions. This is also why confidence influences people so badly that confidence signals uncertainty. And human beings instinctively associate certainly with leadership, competence, and safety. But here is where modern society becomes psychologically dangerous because perception and reality are not always the same thing. Many manipulate individuals, succeed because they underneath and understand emotional signaling better than actual value creation. And social media amplified this massively. Today, visibility creates assumed competence. Follower counts create artificial authority. Luxury lifestyles create perceived success. Confidence create assumed expertise. And millions of people subconsciously respond to this signal every single day. That is why understanding persuasion is no longer optional. It becomes self defense because modern society is surrounded by influence, advertisements, algorithms, branding, content, media, politics, social platforms, and attention engineering. The people unaware of these systems becomes emotionally programmable. The people who understand them begin thinking independently, and that difference changes entire lives. Most people underestimate how much communication affects opportunity. They think competence alone is enough. In reality, competence without visibility often gets ignored. Schools rarely teach this properly. They teach people how to memorize, but not how to influence, not how to negotiate, not how to command attention, not how to communicate ideas clearly under pressure. And then people enter the real world confused because the real world rewards more than technical ability. Look at corporate environments. Promotions are not always driven purely by intelligence. Visibility matters. Presence matters. Communication matters. The ability to explain ideas matters. The ability to reduce uncertainty matters because leadership itself is a heavily connected to emotional trust. This is why some people walk into rooms and immediately command attention, not because they are magically superior, but because their communication reduces uncertainty in other people's mind. Calmness creates authority. Clarity creates trust. Certainty creates influence. and nervous energy subconsciously weakens perception. Human beings constantly read emotional signals, tones, eye contact, timing, silence, facial expressions, body language, certainty, and emotional control. Communication is never just words, it is emotional transmission. That is why elite communicators rarely obsess over sounding smart, they focus on making people feel clarity emotionally. And one of the most underrated skills in communication is listening. Most people listen with the intention to apply. Powerful communicators listen with the intention to understand. That changes conversations completely because people trust those who make them feel emotionally understand. This is why storytelling became one of the most powerful communication tools ever created. Facts inform people, stories move people. A story creates emotion, it creates tension, emotion, reality, transformation, and transformation is what human beings connect with most deeply. That is why great communicators rarely overload people with information, they create emotional experiences. The internet does not just change technology, it changed human behavior. For the first time in history, attention became massively scalable. A single video can influence millions. A single creator can build more trust than traditional institutions. A single narrative can spread globally within hours. And this created a completely new form of power, attention power. Modern companies no longer compete only through products, they compete through storytelling, positioning, emotions, branding, and audience trust. And algorithms intensify this problem dramatically because algorithms reward emotional intensity, not necessarily truth. Outrage spreads faster than nuance, confidence spread faster than wisdom, performance spread faster than depth. And this is exactly why many fake experts dominate online. They understand perception engineering better than actual competence. They understand social proof, luxury signaling, emotional storytelling, artificial and urgency, controversy, identity marketing, and attention manipulation. And millions of people unconsciously respond to these systems every day. This is why critical thinking become one of the most important survival skills of the digital era. Because if you do not understand influence, you become vulnerable to it. Modern people are constantly being programmed emotionally. What to buy, what to fear, what to admire, what success look like, what status should I look like, what attractiveness should look like, what happiness should look like. And many people slowly lose independent thinking without even realizing it. They confuse visibility with credibility, attention with respect, fame with wisdom, and performance with truth. This is one of the biggest psychological traps of modern society. There is another side to sales that most people avoid discussing honestly because the same principle that inspire people can also manipulate them. Human beings are emotionally vulnerable. Even highly educated people make irrational decisions when fear, insecurities, loneliness, status, or identity become involved. This is why manipulation works, and the internet made manipulation scalable. Modern marketing often understands human insecurity extremely well, sometimes better than people understand themselves. And this creates something dangerous, identity dependency. Many people begin attaching their self worth to followers, validation, status, money, attention, public approval, or external perception, which eventually creates emotional exhaustion. People constantly performing confidence becomes psychologically draining. Many highly influential people privately struggle with burnout, anxiety, identity pressure, loneliness, and emotional instability, especially when their entire identity depends on external validation. This is why emotional maturity matters deeply. Elite communicators eventually realize something important. If your self worth depends entirely on public approval, influence becomes psychologically dangerous and rejection becomes emotionally destructive. Real confidence is not loudness, it is external stability, it is emotion under control, under pressure. This is the ability to remain grounded even when perception changes around you. That level of emotional strength cannot be faked long term. It usually comes from experience, rejections, failures, discomfort, high pressure conversations, leadership, and repeated emotional exposure. Communication mastery is not only intellectual training, it is emotional conditioning. Artificial intelligence is changing communication rapidly. AI can already generate emails, marketing, advertisement scripts, sales copy, and automated conversations, which means average communication is becoming automated. And when average communication becomes automated, human depth becomes more valuable. The future will belong to people who combine psychology, strategy, storytelling, creativity, communication, emotional intelligence, and trust, because trust is becoming the ultimate differentiator. People increasingly reach individuals before trusting them. Then they evaluate digital presence before buying. They form impressions before conversations even begin, which means personal branding is no longer optional. Your online presence silently communicates credibility, identity, competence, and emotional positioning. And this changes businesses forever. A single powerful video can influence millions for years. A strong communicator can build opportunities globally. A trusted creator can build economic leverage without traditional gatekeepers. That level of scalable influence never existed historically at this level. And the people who understand this early will have enormous advantage in the future economy. Because the deeper truth is this: sales was never just about selling products, it was about understanding human beings, understanding fear, understanding desire, understanding trust, understanding emotion, understanding identity, understanding perception. And once you understand these systems deeply, you will stop seeing communication as casual conversation. You begin seeing it as one of the most powerful forces shaping human reality itself. This video was never about sales. If you understand this fully, then you already know this was never only about business. This was about people, society, attention, status, psychology, communication, money, power, and modern human behavior itself. Because the moment you understand how humans think, you will stop getting controlled by every trend, every opinion, every algorithm, and every emotional manipulation surrounding modern life. You start observing differently. You will start listening differently. You will start seeing hidden psychology everywhere. And most people will go in their entire life without understanding these systems deeply. They will react emotionally, follow crowds unconsciously, consume blindly, seek validation endlessly, and wonder why they feel invisible in opportunities, businesses, communication, and life itself. But people who master communication master leverage. People who understand influence shape environments. And people who deeply understand human psychology often shape the future itself. So, if this video genuinely changed your perspective, do not just watch it, move on, study it, apply it, observe people differently from today onward. Because communication is no longer a soft skill, in modern society, it becomes survival. And if you want more deep master classes on human psychology, businesses, communication, and the hidden realities most people never truly understand, subscribe to the channel, because this channel is not built for surface level motivation. It is built for people who want to understand how the real world actually works. And trust me, this is the only beginning.